Welcome to Wordscience. Today's lesson is about the word they. They is a small word, but it has a big meaning. We use they when we talk about more than one person, animal, or thing. For example, when we say they are playing football, we mean a group of people. It helps us speak clearly and easily. We can also use they for animals. If we see two dogs running, we can say they are running fast. It's simple and natural. They can also mean more than one object. If there are books on the table, we say they are on the table. It helps us talk about many things at once. Sometimes, it means one person when we don't know if it's a boy or a girl. For example, someone called. They left a message. This use of they is polite and respectful. We also use they when we want to show respect for someone's identity. Instead of saying he or she, we can say they. It makes our language kind and inclusive. In daily life, they is everywhere, in stories, in talks, and in writing. It helps us connect with others easily. Remember, don't use they for one known person unless the gender is unknown. Use they for groups or when you want to be respectful. Now, try a quick practice. My parents are kind. They love me. The cats are hungry. They want food. Someone knocked. They left a note. Great job. Thanks for learning with Wordscience. Keep watching to learn more simple English words and grow your confidence every day.